These are grown men.
Fight, she got like 6 tattoos. If she was a city, she be Timbuktu. My holy ground.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos nuevamente a mi canal. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video, I am going to be installing this unit, and it didn't start off so good. I mean, it didn't, not that it didn't start off so good. Wait, hold on, I'm itching. Yeah, when I started off the video, I wasn't 100% satisfied with like the unit or whatever, but after I, you know, did my little thing to it, I'm happy with it right now. I really like it. It came out exactly how I wanted it to. It was 24 inches. Now it's probably like what, 16, 14, I don't know. And shout out to ALLOVE hair for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for wanting to work with me. And if you guys want to see how I got this look and how I installed this wig, then keep on watching. Oh wait, hold on, before we get into the video, you know, the friendly reminder or whatever, subscribe to my channel, hit that red button down below if you haven't already. Okay, like this video if you like more hair content from me, and turn on your bell notifications so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so I know I didn't talk to you guys during the beginning of me installing this hair because honestly, as you guys can probably hear, and my microphone is probably picking it up, they are banging and renovating something in the apartment next door to me, and also in the one right below me. So there's a lot of noises around my studio right now. So that's why I didn't really talk to you guys in the beginning of the video, but I wanted to come on here to like explain a little bit about the hair, my thoughts and opinions about it, and all of that jazz. I believe I didn't really show the packaging or anything like that in the beginning of the video, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now. So the hair comes in this little bag right here. It says ALLOVE hair. I mean, it says ALLOVE. The brand is called ALLOVE hair, and then it says all you need is love and great hair, and that's really cute or whatever. It comes with wig caps. The hair comes in a plastic bag, and obviously with the little netting that it comes with as well. Yo, this banging is literally driving me nuts. I'm sorry. I will have all the specs of this hair right here. This is I don't really know all the specs at the top of my head, but I know it is a closure wig is 24 inches, and I believe the density is 130 because it is really thin. I prefer to wear hair a little bit more on the thicker side just because I like my hair to be full and thick and kind of a little bit heavy. Sometimes it is really nice to have a little bit lighter hair, especially if you don't like managing your hair, if that makes sense, because obviously the thicker the hair is, the more you're gonna have to do with it, if that makes sense. But I also feel like when you have thicker hair, you have more room for like plucking, like over plucking, or if the hair sheds, it's gonna take a long time before the wig is really thin. I feel like when the hair is thin like this, you don't really have much room for, I mean, you have much room for plucking, but I feel like if the hair is this thin, you don't really have much room for, like, I guess I don't feel like you get enough wear out of it because it gets so thin so quickly. I think that's kind of what I'm trying to say. But overall, I think the hair is great. Like, the quality of the hair feels amazing. The ends are a little bit thin, but I always cut my ends anyway, so I'm not really surprised. Like, I feel like all wigs come like this, so I'm definitely gonna cut it. Well, we're gonna get into that. If you guys are going to purchase this hair, I would definitely recommend to, like, keep in mind that you should definitely cut the ends of your hair so it looks fuller and thicker. So if you want it super long, like, buy a couple of inches extra just so you can, like, cut it. I mean, the couple of inches you're gonna cut are really not gonna make that much of a difference, but if you're really picky with that, then, you know, go a couple of inches longer. I personally feel like this wig will look way better short, just because it's on a thinner density. It's a thinner density, so I'm gonna cut it short and see how it looks. This is how much I cut off. It's about the right length that I wanted. Obviously, one side is way longer than the other, but that's fine. We're gonna fix it. Y'all hear the screaming? Are you guys hearing the screaming? These are grown men. Okay, nah. Like, I brushed it out and this looks cute. This looks cute, baby. Okay. Period. After I curl it or straighten it or whatever it is that I'm gonna do, it's gonna look popping. I'm going to go ahead and do my makeup. I'm not really gonna do much makeup, but I'm gonna do something to my face so I can look a little bit more decent before I kind of close up this video. I will be curling and styling it. Okay, so as you guys saw, I decided to go ahead and curl my hair. And why am I looking so pale on camera? I'm really bronzed in real life. So yeah, this is the final look. I'm loving this short hair. It's definitely a unit that I will be wearing a lot. I really love the quality of the hair. Like, I feel like that it feels, I don't know, it feels really nice and it just falls nicely. I like it way better now that it's short than I did when I opened it up and first put the wig on, just because I guess the length and the thinness of the hair kind of threw me off a little bit. But after I cut it and, you know, it's fuller and it looks fuller, it feels fuller, and definitely overall kind of is, and it gives that illusion, and I just feel like that looks way better. I will leave all the information to this hair in the description box down below, so don't forget to check that out if you guys are wondering, have any questions about the hair. And All the direct links will be there, so y'all just go check it out. Okay, check out ALLOVE hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with friends and family, and I see you guys in the next one. Bye.